Hey, welcome back. That is, if you've been following along. Paul here once again. And if you're here for the first time, make sure you pick up on days 1 and 2 as well. Today, as I've done in the first two, day 1 and day 2, I'm going to talk about another foundational principle. I believe that these discussions are very important to your overall success. All too often we hear about what to do from the tactical side of business. You know, buy this widget, put it on your Facebook page, write an ad, blah, blah, blah. But not a lot of time is spent on the foundational principles. As I mentioned at the end of the last post, the principle that I want to talk about today has had a profound effect in many areas of my life, and I would suspect it has even had an effect on yours as well. Now, I don't know for sure. I'll let you be the judge of that. What I'm talking about is something that has affected my relationships in my health and, yes, even in my business. Once you take a firm grasp of this principle, the way you view your life changes. Now, I'm talking about commitment. Think about it. What does commitment mean to you? See, I believe when most of us hear the word commitment, we think of marriage or that significant relationship, that fidelity of that union and that dedication and devotion that must be shown in order to maintain that bond. Have you ever been committed to changing your health? Perhaps taking off those extra pounds that seem to creep on for most of us, right? Well, it happened for me. I found myself overweight, tired, and just plain unhappy with the way I looked and felt. I decided to do something about it and put myself on a regimen of proper eating and exercise, and I lost 23 pounds. And now I've maintained it for nearly 10 years. Why? I was committed. And the miracle of the commitment led to a habit that continues to drive me to this day. It's the same kind of commitment that is needed to launch and succeed in any business. Take proper action, grow every day in your commitment, and there is no way that you can fail, period. Yes, it's discipline. It's a burden to carry. It's being responsible. It's being obligated. It's being dutiful. And it's remaining loyal and dedicated. It's not just a matter of being involved like so many marriages today. I believe most failures are due to lack of commitment. There's the old story of bacon and the eggs, right? Why does bacon always get the first billing? Well, there were two parties, as you'll recall, that took part in the bacon and the egg story, the chicken and the pig. The chicken was involved and the pig was committed. Get my drift? You know, I was in the automobile sales business for many years, and I saw many salesmen and ladies come and go without fail. I could tell the ones that would succeed early on. You know, they had that determination to learn and grow and compete. But those that had that, oh, well, I'll give it a try attitude, washed out quickly. The commitment to succeed goes beyond the ups and the downs, because I know you'll have plenty of them, as all of us do. It's the focus on that goal that is ever present and is the relentless reminder of why you started in the first place. That's commitment. See, I challenge you to look earnestly at your life and ask yourself, what are you committed to doing, to having, to producing, to becoming? There's one thing for sure, it's all up to you. So if you'd like to further this discussion, you can find me on my homepage at goofproofplan.com, and I encourage you to check it out. I've included a link below to take you there. And what I'm going to do here in the next post that I should have out within the next day or so, I want to talk about some things to consider in developing your presence online, in looking at the marketplace in general, and where you can find your greatest impact. So with that said, I encourage your comments, as always, and I always look forward to hearing from you and your success. Take care, and God bless.